Hack Y with X. Technology often allow us to make things we could not before or use old technologies in new ways. For example, getting a GPS devices to work on the computer or using an Arduino microcontroller and programming language to create digital art. You can write you can write about these hacks and explain how you did them, giving your readers some ideas about what they can do with their own tools. Tips for using X are how to use Y better. If you are a good something or have a small experience in a certain field, then share the tips and advice that you are learned along the way. For example, you can provide tech tips on using Excel for building graphs and how to use Pinterest marketing effective. How to install X. Many applications require installations, which can something be difficult if you have never done it before. If you have experience install them, write about the process, guiding your readers in a step-by-step format. You can also share tips and avoiding common installation problems as well as highlights in installation requirements for each software. How to choose the right tool for the job. Many people are confused when it comes to choosing appropriate software for certain jobs, so they may need some advice on what tools can help them more. If you are enhanced in this area, write an article explaining which tool or products are best for a career, certain task and why. Tech trends for the current year. What are the some cool tech trends that you think people should be aware to the next year? Write. You can write about the further by looking at recent development and talking about what they mean in the long term. By doing this, you will position yourself as an expert and help people make plans for their businesses. How to choose the best software for small businesses that needs. If you have done a lot of work with the technology, then you likely have to advise to share when it comes to choosing your software. For instance, in an article about choosing IT system for small businesses, you could explain why choosing the right tool for the job is important. How to choose the tech for small businesses. Small businesses have different tech needs than large corporations, so that can provide a helpful perspective by writing about how small businesses could select their softwares. Something they might be care about could be cost, essay of use, and security. Also talk about that what is likely to change in the next few years, as this can help people build their IT system to support them for the future. How to take up your business's a website. Whether you are using tech tools for the businesses or just blogging about them, the core going to be times when you need to improve your businesses. If you are an expert in this area, then you can offer tips and tricks improving for your website functionality.